Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a guild on Discord. Make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. If you are wondering how to create a guild on Discord, there are a few things that you need to know first. Guilds are currently part of Discord's experimental feature, which means not everyone has access to the option yet. Whether you see the guild creation option depends on whether your server has been selected for Discord server experiments. These experiments are chosen at random by Discord. There are user experiments and server experiments, and guilds fall under server experiments. To check if your server is part of the experiment, you need to be the owner or an admin of the server. Go to the top of your server, click on server setting and scroll down. If your server is part of the experiment, you will see an option labeled guild or guild settings. Click on that and from there you will be able to set your playstyle, choose your games, add tags and topics, write a description and more. There might also be a join application button depending on your setup. But again, this is the only visible if your server is selected for the experiment. Thanks for watching the video and I will see you in the next one.